Experiencing desktop crashes on Windows 11? I'll share fixes to resolve this issue. Stay tuned for a quick solutions to ensure your desktop remains stable and functional. Press Windows plus R to launch the Run command. Type mdshed.exe in the text field and click OK to launch the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Click on Restart Now and check for problems to run the scan. Press Windows plus I to launch the Settings app. Select Windows Update from the tabs listed in the navigation pane on the left. Click on Update History. Select Uninstall Updates. Select the recent update from the list and click Uninstall to remove it. Click Yes in the confirmation prompt that appears. Press Windows plus S to launch the search menu. Enter Device Manager in the text field at the top and click on the relevant search result. Double-click on Display Adapters to view the devices listed under it. Double-click on your graphics card. Next, go to Driver tab and click the Update Driver button. Next, select Search for drivers from the two options in the Update Driver window to let the system automatically scan for the best available driver on the computer. Press Windows plus I to launch the Settings app. Select Apps from the tabs listed in the navigation pane on the left. Click on Apps and Features on the right. Next, locate the app you recently installed, click on the ellipsis next to it, and select Uninstall from the list of options. Again, click on Uninstall in the confirmational prompt that appears. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.